Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Sisk and I serve as the Associate Director for Career Services and I help oversee student employment here in the Career Center. So today is the day in the life in the Career Center. Come with me. All right, here's the Career Center. So right now, this is our check-in desk where you can come check in for your appointments, learn about the different resources that we offer here at the Career Center, and you can also have your free business cards made here as well. Over here in this area in the Career Center, we have our student employment and some of our other staff housed over here. Within student employment, we have our on-campus job advising. So if you're an undergraduate or a graduate student having trouble finding a job on campus, come visit us because we can help you kind of navigate that search and help you look through Handshake. So over here in this part of the Career Center, we house our UCAR Peer Mentors. UCAR is a career readiness course that you can take within your freshman and sophomore year to help you with your elevator pitch as you're going for interviews, help you navigate different career paths, but also help critique your resume and LinkedIn profile. So with our peer mentors, you're able to meet with them to go over some of those resources that we offer within the course, but also learn more about the Career Center and how we can help you within your career at UNT. We have a career coach in every college here on UNT campus. We also offer a Mean Green Mentor. So with our Mean Green Mentor program, you're able to meet with our alumni to learn about their professional experience, help you with upcoming interviews, but also give you advice that can be helpful for you in your career. To utilize our resources, come visit our website at careercenter.unt.edu. Go Mean Green.